Welcome to the Deep Dive, where we unpack your sources to find the core knowledge.
And today we are heading straight into the cold aisle of the server room.
We really are. We're looking at one very specific, very engineered piece of hardware.
We are. It's the NTI RACMUX-VS17-NT-4USB KVM drawer. And when you see the price...
Yeah, I saw that. What are we talking?
We were talking $2,760.
Okay, so right away, you know this is not something you pick up for your home office.
Not at all. And our mission today is to figure out what it is and, why it justifies that cost in a data center.
All right, so let's break it down. For anyone who maybe isn't living in a server rack, what exactly is a KVM?
So KVM is just keyboard, video, and mouse.
Right. In this device, it combines all of that into one unit.
It's all in one. A monitor, a SUN keyboard, a trackball mouse, and crucially, a KVM switch, all in a single drawer.
The complete command center.
Exactly. And the whole challenge in a data center is density. It's space.
How do you cram everything in?
Right. And this solves a big piece of that puzzle by only taking up 1 RU of space.
And 1 RU, that's a single rack unit. It's just 1 3/4 inches high.
Just 1.75 inches. To fit an entire console into that space is, well, that's the whole point.
It's a huge space saver.
Yeah.
But there's more to the physical design, isn't there? I saw something about the depth.
Yeah, that's a critical detail. The depth is adjustable. It goes from 24 inches all the way to 39 inches.
So it'll fit in basically any rack you have, regardless of the vendor.
Exactly. You avoid those catastrophic physical fit problems when you're trying to integrate new gear.
And the specs mention these. Torque friction hinges on the monitor. That sounds super specific.
Oh, that's a classic example of industrial design. It's a small thing that matters a lot.
Why is that?
It just means the monitor stays put, it won't wobble, it won't slam shut when you're working on it. Over years of use, that prevents wear and tear.
Okay, so it's built to last. Let's move on to the control side of things,
Yeah.
the actual switch.
Right, so it's sold as a 4-port model, but the component inside, the heart of the system, is actually NTI's 8-port USB KVM switch.
Wait, so you can actually control up to 8 different machines from this one drawer?
Up to 8 different computers, PCs, SUN systems, MSEs, you name it. It's incredibly dense control.
And the video quality holds up.
It does. A crisp 1280 by 1024 resolution. But the real reason this costs what it does, I think, comes down to reliability.
Okay.
It has dedicated microprocessors.
Why do you need dedicated chips just to manage a simple switch? That seems like overkill.
Because the connection has to be absolutely 100% reliable. Those chips make sure the computers you're connected to never lock up.
Ah, I see. So even if something happens to the console, the servers themselves stay stable.
Exactly. In the server world, downtime costs way more than hardware. This is basically an insurance policy against those.
That's also pretty efficient, right? Only draws about 45 watts.
It is, and it has all the regulatory approvals you'd expect, CE, RoHS, and importantly, it's TAA compliant.
Which is a big deal for anyone working with, say, U.S. government contracts.
A very big deal. It's a requirement.
So if we're boiling this all down for you, our listener, the takeaway is pretty clear.
Yeah.
You're not paying nearly $3,000 for just a monitor and a keyboard.
No, you're paying for extreme space efficiency, for physical compatibility, and for that mission-critical reliability we just talked about.
Peace of mind in a 1U drawer.
That's a good way to put it. It really makes you appreciate the world of specialized hardware design.
All the little things you don't see.
All the little things. So here's a final thought for you. Think about this. The drawer has a sensor. When you slide it shut, it automatically turns the LCD screen off.
So you don't burn it out by accident.
Right. It preserves the life of the monitor so that 6 months from now, when an admin finally needs to pull that drawer out again, it just works. Instantly. That's the kind of hidden design that keeps everything running.